Hi, let's solve for the value of a. Welcome to my channel. This 5 to the power of a is what all of them have in common, all right? So we put that aside. Then when this is divided by this, we have 1. This divided by this, we have 1. And this divided by this, we have another 1, is equal to 120. So that means that we have 1, 2, 3. 3 bracket 5 to the power of a is equal to 120. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 3. So we divide by 3 and divide by 3. And we have that 5 to the power of a is equal to 40, right? Now you notice that the power is our variable. Therefore, the only way to solve it is to introduce log to both sides of the equation, okay? So we are going to introduce log and we write log 5 raised to the power of a is equal to log 40. Now when you have log a raised to the power of b, it is equal to b multiplied by log a. Therefore, we can write this as a multiplied by log 5 is equal to log 40. All right. Now, let's divide both sides of this equation by log 5. So we have a log 5, this is a, divided by log 5 is equal to log 40 divided by log 5. Okay, now log 5, we cancel log 5 and we have a is equal to log 40 divided by log 5. Now log 40 can be expressed as log 8 multiplied by 5, right? Therefore, we can write a to be equal to log 8 multiplied by 5 divided by log 5. If this is the first time you are seeing this channel, please click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I upload videos daily, yes, so tune in at your convenient time. I upload like 2-3 times every day, so tune in at your convenient time to watch for new uploads. Okay, thank you so much, and please give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video. Now when you have log a multiplied by b, it is equal to log a plus log b. Therefore, we can rewrite our numerator as a is equal to log 8 plus log 5 divided by log 5, right? So we have a is equal to log 8 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. Okay, so our a is equal to log 8 divided by log 5 plus 1, because this divided by itself will give us 1. Now I'd like you to watch to the end, because to get the value of a is very easy, but what I want you to look out for is how we actually prove that the answer we got is correct. Okay, all right, so our a then is equal to 1 plus, now 8 is same thing as 2 to the power of 3, so we have log 2 to the power of 3 divided by log 5, right? So we can say that a is equal to 1 plus 3 will come down and we have log 2 divided by log 5, right? So when you have log a divided by log b, it is equal to log a base b. Therefore, we can write a to be equal to 1 plus 3 log 2 base 5. Yeah, so this is the simplest form of a we can get without a calculator. Now let us prove that the answer we got is correct. So we are going to permit me to clean everything, yeah, so that we will have enough to work with. Okay, hope you've given us a thumbs up, right? Okay, so we have a to be 1 plus 3 log 2 base 5. So this is 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 log 2 base 5, all right, plus 5 to the power of 1 plus 3 log 2 base 5, plus 5 to the power of 1 plus 3 log 2 base 5. Okay, is equal to 120. Now let me clean this. So what we have here is 3 of the same thing, right? 3 multiplied by, so this is 3 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 plus 3 log 2 base 5. All right. Okay. Okay, yeah, let me leave it like this. Okay, is equal to 120. Now when you have a raised to the power of m plus n is equal to a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n. Therefore, we can write this as 3 brackets 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3 log 2 base 5, right, is equal to 120. So we have 3 bracket 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2. This 3 will come to become power, right? Yes, is equal to 120. So we have 3 brackets. Now 5 to the power of 1 is 5. So we have 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 to the power of 3 is 8 base 5, right? Is equal to 120. All right. Now we have 3 brackets 5 multiplied by, now when you have a raised to the power of log b base a, this and this are the same. Okay, so this is equal to b. Therefore we have the same thing here and here, so that means this is equal to 8, right? Is equal to 120. Therefore we have 3 bracket 5 times 8 is 40 is equal to 120. Therefore you can see that 120 is equal to 120. Thank you so much for watching.